Hi, welcome to the new series from Morocco, in which we'll show you the most beautiful roads and off-roads of this country. In this video, we'll take you to the less known but completely amazing region of the Anti-Atlas Mountains. Let's go! Welcome to Road Adventure, Two Wheels Adventure channel. Subscribe for more Two Wheels content. We flew to Morocco and rented motorbikes from Atlantic Moto in Agadir. We got two Yamaha 660R, good bikes but maybe not in the best shape. But on the other hand, it's one of the cheapest bike rentals in the town, and they also have few brand new Kawasaki 350, but we wanted something a bit more powerful. The owner was super helpful, he gave us some advices and we went.
See you guys!
Not far from Agadir, you can find less known Anti-Atlas mountain range. Not to be confused with the Atlas Mountains from the north of this country. And the roads there are just epic. Just take a look at those curves. It's 50 kilometers from Agadir. Already entered the mountains and going with the, and look at this, we have like the perfect asphalt, like the thousands of turns here, so yeah, it's like a heaven.
Beautiful road, yeah, very empty, good surface.
Yeah. Our next stop is a very old fortress situated in the middle of a huge valley. So we are in Moroccan mountains and here on the way to the city which starts on T, Trafa something.
Yeah, the fortress.
The fortress. And actually, yeah, we're actually on the way here. We find the fortress, which is huge. It's really huge.
On top of the mountain.
Yeah. And actually, is this a private? There is a private owner because you know there is a bed and breakfast inside. Ooh. We are in the tower. I'm searching for a restaurant. It looks like, I don't know, 12th century maybe. Epic. In a restaurant there, we tried a most popular Moroccan dish called tagine. Tagine is actually a clay pot in which various dishes are prepared. And for a drink, mint tea served in a kettle is very popular here in Morocco. Yeah, nice. Thank you very much. No one's here. Mountains are all over. You won't see it because of the dust or the fog or mist, whatever it is. When we came to Morocco, we thought it's cloudy, but it wasn't. It was Saharan dust, blocking the sun and limiting visibility. This old fortress is actually a medieval village within a fortress that was abandoned just 50 years ago. The private owner has made a great job restoring this place, and now you can stay here for a lunch or for a night. As you can see, not far from here, there's another fortress, smaller one, which wasn't so lucky, and it's completely destroyed. But we couldn't stay there, as we planned to spend the night in a BDB in an old Berber village, so we moved on. There was still no road leading to this village, and we only had some photos from Booking.com. We are in very traditional village. Actually, there's no road here. So with bikes we done like extra 150 meters, which is not possible by car, but still I think we need to stop here, leave our bikes, and we'll try to go there because we are staying for today somewhere here. So we are today staying in traditional mansion, it's called, or something like this, and this is pretty old. Like as you can see, like walls are made from clay and wood, and we couldn't get here by bikes, and of course there is no road for cars at all. So bikes are here. I don't know if you can see it somewhere there. But really this place is beautiful. Those mountains around here are quite small, but those one behind me, which I'm not sure you will see, oh maybe there, are really huge. There is a wall, there's a wall of mountains. There's a museum like next to the hotel. This museum shows how Berber people lived here for centuries.
Family one.
What is it about here? It's making the bread and like smash?
This one, it's the machine to make argan oil.
Argan oil?
Argan oil. This is argan nut. Oh. This is the fruit from argan.
Ah, okay.
Like this. But with stone, they make like this. You separate this with this.
Okay.
This is animals' food.
Okay.
Cow with the goat, eat that. This is very hard. You make it so like this, of course. With the hand, and then you rub it so, and they come out here like juice. Okay? Out there. This room is for children to sleep.
What is it? This?
For baby.
A
This is baby cradle.
Ah, okay.
Nice cradle and no scorpion, nothing.
Scorpions here. Yeah, you have a lot of scorpions?
They can move in the floor, but if you put your baby like that, no
You have a
problem.
lot of scorpions here?
In summer. In summer, not now.
Okay.
And
what is it, this instrument? It's
Banjo.
banjo?
Banjo.
Can you play on this?
Of course.
It was his home when he was a kid, and now he changed it into a museum. It's super interesting, so definitely worth seeing. And he also telling us about his life, about the Islam. So yeah, it was super interesting. And we are in the old, very very old, I won't say ancient, but it's pretty old, like the village. We can see like quite a few of houses there, but it's completely, but all of them were left. We reached the town of Tafraud, known, among others, for stones painted by Belgian artists. But hey, they are just painted stones, so we decided not to waste a cold morning on them. Even though it was October, the temperature reached 35 degrees during the day. We headed towards 8 Mesur Canyon and its oasis. Day 2, we are riding through Atlas Mountains, and you know, And after like thousands of turns, we found this kind of place. It's amazing, really. Okay, here we just going out from the canyon, which ends here on this place, and the canyon is like one big oasis, to be honest. Like, I don't know, maybe 5 kilometers of greens, so it looks amazing. Actually, we didn't expect this kind of temperature in October, so I don't know, today it's like 34 degrees with direct sun. After leaving the canyon, we headed north and we fall into the local market, which was set up in the middle of the road. We squeezed between cars and stalls there, but it was tight. First break for today. We are completely exhausted, to be honest, because of the sun. There is no more Sahara dust in the air, so we have a direct sun today. That's why it can be a little bit harder. Temperature like 33 degrees maybe, and now we will try some off-road, but we need a longer break before doing this. After a few kilometers on gravel, we drove towards the mountain pass of Berber Road. According to Google, this road doesn't exist. Maybe that's why it's so empty. Beautiful asphalt, plenty of sharp turns over the abyss. At the top of the mountain pass, we decided to go off-road and ride even higher to the local summit. We made like the top of the mountain with Thomas here. And it was a wise decision, to be honest. It was super steep. And we are super high as well. Also, we are not like the off-road masters. So, yeah, next time we won't be so. We will be so open for this kind of ideas. We don't have recording of this event. Probably you are simply too scared to do it. After crossing the mountains, we found a great clay road, and after a few kilometers, we jumped onto asphalt towards the Sahara Desert. We had a short stop for photos with camels, and after sunset we reached the town of Zagit, which is the gateway to the Sahara Desert. Please like and subscribe to support this tiny channel, and in the next video we will take you to an off-road adventure on the largest desert in the world, and will show you one of the oldest Moroccan town, famous among others from the Gladiator movie and Game of Thrones. See you soon!